Let's take a look at two examples for factoring completely. So for this one, you notice that there's no C term. So one option is to just use a generic rectangle. So now we want to think, what do 4x squared and 20x both have in common? They both have 4x. 4x times what is 4x squared? X. 4x times what is 20? So 5. So this written as a product or factored would be 4x squared times the quantity x plus 5. I can't factor this any further, so I'm done with that one. Now let's take a look at this one here. You notice that they all have a greatest common factor of, they're all multiples of 2, and they all have an x in them. So 2x times what is 6x squared? 3x squared. 2x times what is 8x squared? That would be 4x. 2x times what is 2x? So that would just be 1. Now I'm going to take this and put that in my generic rectangle. So I have my 3x squared and my 1. I multiply those to get the top. My B term goes on the bottom of the diamond. And I want to think, what are two numbers that multiply to give me 3x squared and add to give me 4x? 3x and x. So I'm going to put those into the rectangle in either spot. Now I'm going to find the greatest common factor of a column or a row. I'm going to look here and I notice those both have 3x. So now I ask myself, 3x times what is 3x squared? X. 3x times what is 3x? 1. 1 times what is 1? 1. And then I'm going to double check. 1 times x, x. So it's 3x plus 1 times the quantity x plus 1. Now, don't forget to put that 2x back in front so that if I was to multiply these out or distribute, it would get me back to the original problem.